Hey everyone, welcome back Tommy Channel, where we explore the best in travel, adventure, and vintage rides. Today, we have a true classic, this beautifully restored lime green Volkswagen camper van with a pop-up roof. It's the perfect mix of retro charm and practicality for road trips, camping, and van life. So, let's take a deep dive and see what makes this ride so special. First off, let's talk about the design. This VW camper van, often referred to as a Type 2 or bay window bus, became an icon in the 60s and 70s. The bright lime green paint job makes it stand out, and the classic rounded shape gives it that nostalgic feel. Plus, check out this pop-up roof. It adds extra space for sleeping and ventilation, which is a game-changer for camping trips. Now, let's step inside. The wood-paneled interior and green plaid upholstery give it a real vintage vibe. You've got plenty of seating space, which can be converted into a bed for two, making this van ideal for road trips. The side windows with curtains add privacy, and there's even some storage for essentials. When you're on the road, having a comfortable outdoor setup is just as important as the van itself. This setup includes two foldable camping chairs and a small, lightweight table, perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee or a meal while enjoying nature. Imagine waking up to a sunrise, stepping out of your van, and soaking in the fresh air. So, how does it drive? Well, being a vintage ride, it's not the fastest, but it's all about the experience. The air-cooled engine gives it that classic VW sound, and while it may take some getting used to, cruising down the highway in this beauty is pure nostalgia. It's not about speed, it's about the journey. All right, so is the Volkswagen camper van still a great option for road trips and van life? Absolutely. It's stylish, practical, and full of character. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or just someone who loves vintage rides, this van is a dream on wheels. Just be ready for a little extra maintenance, as with any classic vehicle. What do you think of this retro camper? Would you take it on a road trip? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and keep that retro spirit alive.